Good morning, dear student. Today your topic is meaning of disability. This is your fourth chapter. Now started. Disability means inability to do work. In fact, it is the state of individual when he and she cannot work efficiently. मतलब जो भी बच्चे जो गर्ल बॉय जिनमें कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, डिसेबिलिटी होती है, कभी उनमें उनके नीज़ में प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, कभी कोई डिफॉर्मिटीज़ हो जाता है, वो कोई ऐसा काम नहीं कर सकती या फिज़िकल वर्क नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसे हम डिसेबिलिटी कहते हैं. डिसेबिलिटी की और भी डेफिनेशन मैं आपको बताती हूँ. डिसेबिलिटी इज़ द रिडक्शन ऑफ फंक्शनल एबिलिटी टू लीड डेली फ्रूटफुल लाइफ. According to World Health Organization यानी WHO, a disability is a regression or lack of ability to perform an activity in the manner of within the range considered normal for a human being. Next, disability is an important impairment that may be cognitive development, intellectual, mental, physical, sincere, or same combination of these. It substantially affect a person's life activities and may be present from birth or occur during a person's lifetime. Clear? Next, a disability is a functional limitation or restriction of an individual ability to perform an activity. Clear? So, this all definition for disability. Meaning of disorder. डिसऑर्डर का अर्थ होता है खराबी, जो असक्षमता, कोई काम नहीं हो पाना. ओके, क्लियर? डिसऑर्डर इज यूजली यूज्ड फॉर मेंटल डिसेबिलिटी. डिसऑर्डर इज एनी एलिमेंट दैट डिस्टर्ब द हेल्थ ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. Most probably, disorders create hindrance in an individual performance and reduce his efficiency in the beginning. Disorders seem to be ordinary, but they usually grow or spread in a harmful manner in a individual. Most probably a disorder cannot be detected on times. I can be said that a disorder disputes the normal functioning of an individual. Disorder can be defined as blip in the usual functioning of a person. Okay, clear? Types of disability. First type of cognitive disability, second intellectual disability, and third physical disability. इनका डिस्क्राइब मैं आपको PDF में सेंड कर दूंगी. क्लियर?